Watch this video and learn how to draw your mum's cup of coffee. Later in the video, Barry Tone has a dance break. And watch to the end to see Louie's shape break. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie.
Oh, hello, little artist. Oh,
Artie, you know your mum's coffee cup?
yes.
Let's draw that today.
Oh, Artie would really love that. Yes, please. Oh, great. Oh.
Hey, little artists!
Greetings to you all.
Ready, Artie?
Yeah,
Let's create some art.
okay. Let's begin with a grin.
Okay, come on.
Okay, all right. Let's start.
Get ready to draw with Artie.
Let's start by drawing the top lid of the coffee cup. A nice curved line with a hook on the end. Now do the same on the right side. Do you remember that time you tried my coffee, Artie? You didn't like it very much.
Oh, yeah.
Coffee's really only a drink for adults. Now let's draw two little straight lines down from each end. There you go.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw a curved line, a sort of smiley shape. First from the right side, and then from the left side. Join them together, and we've made an oval shape at the top. Now draw a little hole in the top. Oh, here's Bunny. Hi, Bunny.
Hi, Artie.
Hi.
Oh, your art makes my whiskers wiggle with joy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Now let's draw a little V shape in the top, and then a curved line following the bottom one all the way around. That's it, Artie. Just follow the shape. There you go. Very good.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Best day of my life.
Now let's give the lid some thickness. We're going to draw another smiley-shaped curved line just underneath the first one. Draw a line on the left side as well, Artie, and then join them together in the middle.
I think we should have a dance break.
You want a dance break?
Yeah, let's go have a dance break. Dance break, dance break, dance break.
Okay.
This is making me want to dance.
Me too.
It's deserving of nothing but a 10.
Dance break, dance break, dance break, dance break.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was really good fun.
Barry did a great job.
Oh, Artie loves dance breaks.
Let's carry on with the drawing.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Now we're going to give our lid another layer. So draw a little curve on the left and right, then a straight line down with a little half circle at the end. And then the same on the left, straight line, half circle.
I'm not sure what it's going to be yet, but it looks good.
You'll see soon, Bunny. Now, Artie, let's carry on all the way round with more smiley curve shapes. That's it. Very nice work. Coming up, Louis teaches us all about cylinder shapes. Now let's draw a straight line coming down, but at an angle, and then on the right side another one, angled in, and then on the left side, step out a little bit and continue the line down. Really good, Artie.
Oh, why don't we have a shape break?
A shape break?
Yeah,
Yeah, we can have one.
yeah. Louis, let's have a shape break.
Hello, little artists, and welcome to a shape break. My name's Louis, and I'm going to teach you today about this very interesting shape here. It's called a cylinder, or you might say a tube. Well, the cylinder has a circle at the top, as you see, a circle at the bottom, which is hidden in this example here, and then it's connected together, and it makes a complete cylinder, or tube. Now, there's lots of fun things that are this cylinder shape. For example, soda cans, a honey jar or a jam jar perhaps, coffee cup, toilet roll. We all use them. And, oh, my favourite, birthday cake. A birthday cake is a cylinder shape. Yes, indeed. What kind of birthday cake do you take to an elf's birthday party? A short cake, because you see, elves are small, you see. Anyway, why wasn't the toilet paper stopped? Because it was on a roll. Because they're rolls, they're cylinders, you see. Never mind. Why is a drum a cylinder shape? Beats me. Beats me. See.
Thank you, Louis. That was a very good shape break. Artie learned a lot.
Me too.
Yeah.
Let's finish the drawing.
Yeah, okay.
Let's add another angled line at the bottom, and on the right, of course. Then at the very bottom, let's do another curved line connecting the two sides. Are you enjoying yourself, Artie?
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Woohoo!
Oh, good. We're having fun watching you as well. Just two more curved lines to create the cardboard sleeve. That's it, Artie. I think you've finished.
It's finished!
I thought so.
Yeah. Can I colour it in now, please?
What a great idea.
Okay.
Color it in, color it in, color it in.
All done. Hey.
Great job, Artie.
Yeah.
It looks really good.
Yeah. It came out really, really good.
It did. A true artist.
Oh, thank you.
My pleasure.
Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
Bye, Artie. Bye. Wasn't that so much fun? Yay. Thank you for watching. And please watch again and have an